for our crawfish boudin toast. This is just a link of uncooked crawfish boudin. I added a little bit of egg wash to it, a little beaten egg to it, to help it become more of a paste because it was kind of dry on the inside with all that rice sucking up the moisture. And I'm just going to take a spoonful. You don't want to make it too thick. And put a little of that paste like that. Okay. We're going to sprinkle these with just a little bit of swamp dust and put them in the fryer. Here's my swamp dust. And you should be able to do a couple of these at a time, and we're going to do them crawfish side first and flip them. And down they go, just till they're golden brown.
Both of these are delicious, and you can get the recipes on our website at theoutdoorkitchenshow.com.